Hey everyone, if you've ever tried a bike park, you know that it's one of the best experiences for a mountain biker. And one of my favorite trails ever is Top of the World in Whistler. Top of the world. Indeed, look at that. Glaciers everywhere, top of Whistler, and the trail actually starts right at the top over there. Have fun! So let's check it out together. And to take your bike to the top, you are going to have to start at the Whistler gondola. It's a longish ride to the top, but once you get there, you're going to see the peak-to-peak gondola to the left, but to your right, you're going to see the peak of Whistler, where we're going. That's the Peak Express. It's going to take us to the very top of the Whistler Mountain. You need a special ticket to take this chair all the way up to the top, and the views are just spectacular. Thank you. Top of Whistler. It's where everybody goes for pictures. You can actually ski down here. And that's where Top of the World is. That's the trail. Alrighty. Have fun.
You too.
Just in control of your bike, and then you're good everywhere. This is crazy. Woo! Damn. Woohoo! Look at that. Rugged. Alright. The camera probably doesn't show how steep this is steep. There's not much room for error. That's the trick here. You can't make mistakes. You're gonna hurt yourself. The wheel's rolling and you're good. How was it? The hardest part. Shoot. Woohoo! Hardest part is done. Doesn't mean that this is easy, especially when it's loose like this. It's very loose. I haven't seen rain in 2 months. I thought you were taking pictures of me. Have fun. It's just good tech over here, but go a bit harder. enjoy it more. There's my family. Woohoo! Everywhere you look here, just awesome views. Today's a cloudy day. Otherwise, it's just spectacular. The glaciers up top everywhere. Going on a little bit of a road here. Climbing up. Let's see how good is this downhill bike at climbing. And the trail continues on right over there. Black Tusk Stair. See the lakes. Look at that. Old glacier lakes. Just look at the color of it. Whew, amazing. Oh, almost missed the trail. Wow. Top of the mountain again. A popular trail. Bikers that know what they're doing. Yes. You gotta negotiate all this with a nice clip, and then you have a nice flow to it, or better flow to it. On your left, here. Alright, almost lost it. Heading to another road. One trick to a trail like this is just to stop and just relax your arms. You gotta get arm pump. That's usually what happens in the bike park. I am no different, so we like to stop just to keep safe, enjoy every section. If you're good, do it all in one shot. Top of the world to the bottom of Whistler. We're gonna do that run. That's it.
Okay. How's it going?
Not bad.
Yeah, thanks.
Guys, there we go. Go. If you're faster, at least they're not busy talking to the camera. Like I was. pressure there. Whew. That was a bit of a tricky section. Almost lost it in one corner. All right, let's keep going. Very dusty everywhere. More of a twisty single track from now on, but you can see Whistler far in the valley. Look at this burn, man. Like in the middle of nowhere. Holy, that was steep. Not expected. This is steeper and unexpected. Fun. Gotta bring your A game. Gotta break something here. Holy. Oh man. Arm pump. I can't tell you. Whew. That was a fun section. Yeah, we just came down from the top. Woo! It's a bit of a road going down from here. Getting close to Quicksand. Creek crossing. Let's see. Sharp rocks. Be careful not to get flat. A long way down from here. Tech infinity here, man. As much as you want. Anytime. Light tech, this is the trail. And we are in section 7 of the top of the world. A few raindrops in the air. Tricky. This is a fun section. Whoa, that was tight. It's starting to rain harder. I have to put some light jacket on. I can feel it on my helmet. Good. I'm gonna find a place to stop. Probably in the woods. And we haven't made it to half of the mountain. We're getting close. When you come down from Garbo, you come from top there. Oh, the rain is coming down harder. You gotta be careful, it's very loosey. Kind of running from the rain. We pretty much finished the top of the world. This is where we're getting together with the other trails coming from Garbo to my right. A lot of fun doing top of the world. Hope you guys can try it out one day. Also hope you enjoyed my video. And if you did, hope to see you all on the trails. Cheers guys. Cheers.